please hurry up and please help us to invite more people join us, because we really prepared a lot of knowledge for you, and I think it will help you to promote the product in your market. And today we not only introduced the presentation, but also we have prepared the machine here, and we will show you how to make the product. So I think it's very useful for you. And if you already come, I suggest you can write down your country name so that we see which country friends come more. Okay, thank you. Please help us to invite more people here. Thank you so much for our Indian friends, because now I see more and more Indian friends join us. Thank you so much. Yes, as Saturday, we also have the product lab, and a lot of friends has asked a lot of questions. And at that time, because the questions are mostly the technical questions, so we didn't give the answer at that time. So today you can see our colleague Miss Sufi already gave the details about the answer. So if you have any doubt about our questions, you can also write down here. Then we will give you the details reply. And if you have any demand, also you can write down here. Actually, last time I have introduced our company history, and I think most of you know almost more than me, because I just joined in Jack company for 5 years. But I see a lot of our agents has cooperated with our company over 10 years. So I think you know more than me. And here I would like also to share with you some information here, because as a lot of our agents has visited our company, but for this 2019 this year, our company has moved to the new factories. And in the new factories, we have more good office environment. And also here, the products all from the green factory. So I think if this year you have a chance, we really welcome you to come to our new office and the new factory to see our showroom and our culture room. I think you will get more from our new factories. And I think it's a best way that you can take your big garment factory customer to our company to show our company's strengths. And this is the first thing. And second thing, I have speak a lot of our new acquire about Burma, about Mica, about Baby Mac. And I think a lot of friends know that we have now Jack is an international company, and now we want to do the smart solution for the garment factories. So now I have prepared some gift, and of course I have prepared the questions for you. So the first question is, when did the Jack company was listed on Shanghai Exchange Stock? So Miss AB, please help me write down my question. And there are two answers, so you can choose. The answer A is 2017. Answer B is 2018. So if you know, please write down. And from the screen, we will shoot the first one. Not the first one. We will shoot one screen and choose the first one. That first people will be the lucky man, and we will give our gift. This one, you can see here, we prepared really a lot of spare parts, and these spare parts are from Jack company original parts. And also here, I would like to introduce something about our spare parts. As you know, for the machines, it's very important for the spare parts. And as we all know, if one thing is completed by all the original parts, it's much more quality and more stable. So now our company has provide our own spare parts here. So I suggest you can try to promote the spare parts in your market too. And also, as you are the professional guys in your market, and you know that spare parts are also a big profit business. So I hope in the future we will have more Jack spare parts agent. Okay, now I see more people join us. Thank you so much. I think with your help, then more and more people will join us. I see a lot of friends has replied my question. So Miss AB, I will count down to 5. Then please help me shoot one screen, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, shoot it, please. Okay, from the short screen, we will give the first people the gift. Congratulations. Yes, and now I need to explain again today product line. It's we will explain some two machines. One is the side cutter machine, and another one is the chain stitch machine. And we invite Miss Carrie and Miss Ariana from Bangladesh market. They will explain for you. And during their explain, if you have any question, you can also write down your question, and we will arrange our colleague to give you the reply. So now I think it's time for Miss Carrie and Miss Ariana because they are waiting to give you the show. I think now it's the show time. Please warmly welcome Miss Ariana and Miss Carrie.
Hello, all Jack families. I'm Ariana. See you again. Good afternoon and good morning.
Hello, I'm still Carrie. Good morning and good afternoon.
Today, Carrie and me will introduce you two machines. The first one is power-saving chain stitch machine, and the second one is high-speed set cutter computer Lockstitch. And so now, please welcome, invite your salesman and all your colleagues to join us. Our live show will start right now.
Yes. Today we will spend around 30 minutes to give the introduction of the Jack 2 kinds of products. And the contents are really useful, so we hope that all of you can spend around 30 minutes to get to know more information about Jack products. And during the live, we will also propose some questions. The people who give the right answers will have a chance to get our gift, that is the Jack Original Parts package. And you can also ask your questions in the group chat, and we will reply it one by one.
Yes, okay, everyone. Now, first we learn the first model, JK-8558G, our chain stitch machine. For this series, we totally have 6 models. Now we learn them one by one. Everyone, attention. Now the first model is 8558G-WZ. In this model, the G means new generation, new look, and the W means semi-dry head. The Z means 重磅 electronic control books. For this one, everyone, you can check this picture. For this model, we have 2 needles, and this needle is parallel double needle. For this one, we have 4 needle gauge. Here, everyone check. For example, 1/4, 3/17, 1/8, and 3/8. For this model, it is suitable for light and medium heavy fabric. For the second one, model -1-WZ, this one we only have the single needle. It is different. And the third model, -2-WZ, for this one, check this picture. We also have the 2 needle, but the needle position is totally different. It is vertical double needle. And for the needle gauge, we only have 3/17. And all these 3 models is suitable for light and medium heavy fabric. Maximum speed is 4,000 RPM. Everyone must pay attention for these pictures. See the difference for the needle position.
Yes, and I'm going to introduce the Jack 3 needle chain stitch machine. Here also 3 needle have the 3 type, that is 3 model. We can see here the first and the second model is both slant type 3 needle, like this picture. The needle position is the slant type 3 needle. And the third model is the trigonal 3 needle. We can see the needle position, maybe not so clear, right? Later we will show the video about this trigonal 3 needle. And we need to note that for the 3 needle, all needle gauge is 1/8. But for the first model, the slant type 3 needle is suitable for the light to medium heavy material. And the second one with the PL. PL means simple real polar. It is suitable for the medium heavy materials. And the third model, the trigonal 3 needles, it is suitable for the medium to the heavy materials. Okay. So we can also see the 3 needles stitch here.
Our chain stitch machine is widely used in our garment factory and is suitable for medium and heavy jeans like this, picture shoes, and also the shirt, t-shirt, casual wear, and so on. Different stitches for different fabric and clothing.
Yes. So Ariana, I think after the introduced about these chain stitch machines, everyone maybe already know the differences of these different models. So could you please help us to tell the advantages of our Jack chain stitch machine?
Yes, all in all, Jack chain stitch machine, it is clean sewing and the power saving also is very efficient. efficient. First one is clean sewing. It is semi-dry. How we achieve the semi-dry? Because our head use the imported high-quality mineral-based lubrication, which can solve the oil pollution problem, just like this. Bearing tab take up level. Also, our needle bar use the DLC process. It makes the hardness can highly improved. Also make our machine more durable. The second one is our power saving. Our machine use the 550 watt direct drive servo motor. It can, compared to the normal machine, it can achieve totally 71% power saving. So annual power saving 441 degrees. We take example. We $1 for per degree. So how many money we can save in 1 year? Yes, we can save totally $441 1 year. At the same time, direct drive, it means integrated. So most of our operation can be more accurately. For example, the stop sewing and the noise can be very lower. Thirdly, it's very efficient. It is easy to operate and easy to learn. For example, this one is our integrated control box. Just like our other machines like A3, A2S, it is very easy to operate, more convenient to monitor and adjust the parameter. Just press the button one by one. Also, it adopts a Lockstitch universal electronic control panel. So it is very easy to learn and very easy to use in our garment factory.
And another advantage of this twin stitch machine is it is very efficient and stable. Why? Because we use the real puller for feeding. And we can see this twin stitch machine. It is equipped with the rear puller device here and the roller device here. So the feeding is more smoothly and the sewing stitch is more beautiful. And for the puller device, we can see here, we have two kinds of puller. The first type, the puller is metal puller. The metal puller is mainly for medium and heavy material. And the second type is the rubber puller. This rubber puller is mainly for the light and medium heavy material. So whatever you want used for the material, you can choose by yourself. You can give the order to us. And we can also see one video of the trigonal twin stitch machine. We can see here. And also another video. This is also trigonal 3-needle twin stitch. We can see here. We made it the 6 layers string, but it can pass these 6 layers very smoothly. So that's the advantages of our twin stitch machine.
Yes, very strong. And okay, everyone, now the first model power saving twin stitch machine, 8558G machine, we already finished. Here, I have 2 questions for us. If you know the right answer, please tell us and send the message in our group. Okay, the first question is, for 8558G, how much the maximum speed? I repeat the question again. How much is our twin stitch machine maximum speed? Who knows answers?
I see our staff also give the questions in the group chat. If you are not so clear about what we are talking the questions, you can see the group chat.
Yes, if you know the right answer, you can send to us. Then we will choose the lucky one. Then he can get our gift.
I see already have some answers come out, right?
Yes.
So, Ariana, you count, then we give the screenshot.
Okay, we count. 3, 2, 1. Later, Miss Abby will choose the
2 people.
2 people.
The first give the in the screenshot, and the second in the screenshot will get our gift of the Jack original package.
Yes.
And here I also have the second question. Please listen very carefully, okay? Jack, JK-8560G-WZ-PL. This machine, how many needles? And how about the needle gauge? So clear? If not clear, our staff will also give the questions in the group chat. Please check in the group chat, okay?
This question is a little difficult. Who knows answers?
Before the speed questions already finished, then we already come to the second question, okay? How many needle of the 8560G machines? And how about the needle gauge?
Yes, I already see one right, correct answers.
Yes, I see many right answers already count. So I also count 3. Then we also give the screenshot. The first people and the second people in the screenshot, we will also give our gift.
Yes.
3, 2, 1, shoot. Okay, please help us. Yes, we already get the screenshot, and the people who get the gift will be announced in the group chat later after the introduction of our machine model. Okay.
Okay. Now just to finish the chain stitch machine, we move to the 8558G-W. This is our high-speed step cutter computer lock stitch. We start. JK-8558G-W. Jack standard use the Japanese hook, and it is suitable for light and medium heavy fabric. The head is semi-dry, and we use Power Max electrical control box. The needle gauge is 5 mm. 4,000 RPM is the maximum speed, and the speed of 3,500 RPM is the best for the machine and also for the performers. Just now I introduced 8559G machine. It is our computerized set cutter with new appearance. We also have the direct jab type, new appearance and set cutter. The W in the model name means semi-dry. All this computerized series is semi-dry. For this one, it is optional. And also for this T means hemi function. For this function, later we will introduce in details and show some videos for you to better understand. We check some video for this machine. As you can see, this fabric is for jeans. Even this heavy jeans, we can work smoothly.
And our step cutter machine is also widely used. It is suitable for the feather dress, the cotton-based clothes, the shirts, trousers, and umbrella sewing and step cutting sewing. And there are also many advantages of the step cutter machines. First, as for the structures optimized, we can see here, our reset spring, this structure also optimized, and the cutter reset structure also optimized to avoid the mechanical wear and extend our machine's lifetime. The needle bar surface and the cutting shaft use the DLC process to also use the import grease to make the machine oil-free. That means avoid the oil to make the machine more durable. And second is the semi-dry head to realize the clean sewing. The oil-free design, we use the import grease and the bearing take-up lever to make sure our machine can be clean sewing. And the needle bar is with the DLC technology. It is very hard and wear resisting to make our machines more durable, just like what I mentioned.
Okay, you can see the pictures. The Jack DNA design. This is a brand new appearance. It's from German design. It's very beautiful and unique. All the Jack series machine use this appearance. And then we have also extraordinary details for some several hundred million invested production line in our new factory. So the machine is made in floor line operation. It's very standard processing and well done. And the quality can be promised. It's very reliable. Secondly, you can see each button we have the voice reminder. One key can back to the factory reset. For example, we just like this, like our other machines, for example, A2S and A3. On our operation screen, we have many buttons, but each button have voice reminder, and every user can easily understand every function. Then we have the one key to reset. Here, just press this button. All the parameters will back to the factory setting. It's very easy to understand, and obviously it's very easy to operate, use in factory. The fourth, fifth, sixth advantages is humanist design and easy practical. For example, we have the USB port. This port, how is the function? It can be for charging cell phones and cooling fans. It also can be used to update the software. Besides, we also have the LED light here. we make the stitch filling, LED light, and backstitch 3-in-1. So many levels of light brightness of LED can easily to adjust, and also is easy operate, stable performance. And how you can see this is very good looking, practical function. Besides, we also have this cooling fans. Cooling fans can increase more wide, like more strong, which helps to lower the temperature of our control box and motor, prolong the lives of our electronic components efficiently.
And just before we introduce the naming rule, we also talk about the T. T means hemming. So we have this model, 8558G-T or 8558G-WT. W before already mentioned is the semi-dry head, okay? So this model is the cut and hemming. What's the mean of the cut and hemming? That means we first cut the fabric and then hemming. These two steps are combined in one step. So these stitches are beautiful and the efficiency is high. And we can also see here. The standard pole tube normally is 28 millimeter, but we also have the optional one is 30 to 36 millimeter. It's all okay for us. And it is also more necessary in the clothing technology with the more choice of this pole tube. And later, we will also show by videos. We can see here the video, cut and hemming. First cut, and then we hemming this clothing. Not so clear, so our staff will send this video also in the group chat. Then you can check very carefully and very clear about this video, okay? Okay, this introduction of the machines PowerPoint is already finished, and now we can also move to the machines for more details. So, any questions have after the introduction of the two models of jack machines? One is twin stitch machine, one is the set cutter machine. So I guess must have some questions towards these two models, right?
Yes.
So now we are waiting for your questions. You can send your questions in the group chat. We will give the reply.
Or we can move our camera to the machines. Our technician will operate the machine.
The questions you can prepare first. Later we come back.
So now let's check this machine. We can see now in this screen we have the off. What's meaning for this off? What's wrong for this? Just now the machine showed off. What's the meaning? Our machine, for example, you no use this for some minutes, so the machine will show off to protect the machine. For example, your child will press this handle. If it shows off, the machine still cannot work, so it protects your children and also the machine. Now we move to the machine stitch to see how it works. Now this is our 8559G-W machine. It is the semi-dry head. Now we will invite our technician to operate this machine. If you have any question, you can tell us in the group. Filling stitch, back stitch, back stitch, and also it's very easy to adjust the LED light. Yes. On. The first button is the filling stitch. Now we press. Second one is the back stitch. Filling stitch. back stitch. Now we show these two buttons again. No need to press here. Only the button can achieve the filling the stitch. This is one friend said he wants to check heavy fabric cutting. Now our technician will show you. We change to the jeans fabric. You can see now we have 4 layer jeans fabric. Totally 4 layer is totally no problem. You can see. And let it cut. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 layers cut. We show you one more time. Now we try 8 layers, okay? Everyone check this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 layer just now stitch. Totally no problem. Jeans fabric.
Now we already get some questions. I read one by one, okay? The first question is asked how heavy the fabric this stack cutter machines can cut. Our answer is normally 6 to 7 layers content-based clothes is okay for our stack cutter machines. And the normal before we also showed the 4 layers of the jeans is also okay. 6 is also okay. To 8 also okay. Okay, so we already see the videos our technicians show us. And for the more heavier materials, please check with us first when you get the order. And for the questions, how to make the set cutter machines fit and the knife up and down together, right? This question is our technician said that this question is a little bit difficult to show with this machine now, because this can show you inside these machines. Later we will make one PPT to give you the answer in the group chat also, because we need to tear down these machines, then we can see the inside structure, how to show you the knife and the feet together up and down. And any other questions? Any other questions? The thickness, maximum millimeter thickness of fabric, we already give the answer. The 6 to 7 layers of the content-based clothes is okay. And just now we also see the 8 layers of jeans is also okay. So normally your demand can be realized with the self-cut machines, 8558G. Okay. And if there is no more questions, we also have some questions. Ariana, you also prepared the questions, right?
Yeah. So now I have one question. What's the size of 8559G-W dust collector space? Anyone know about this question? I see one answer is 16. This answer is not the correct. Anyone know the others? Okay, the right answer is 28 millimeter. Yeah. If you have other questions, you can write down and send to us. I see one question. How to maximum gas set use? Thank you for your question.
And we see Ariana just now proposed one question is, what is the size of 8559G-W dust collector or space? I see one friend give us the answer of 16. You want to reply this question, right? But I need to tell that our answer is 28, right? 28 millimeters. So 16 is not correct. 28, that is the pole 2. Standard is 28 millimeter. And if no other questions, I also give another one question, like before I give the introduction of the three needle twin stitch. So I want to ask 8560G-PHWZ. This P means what? These three needles P means what? AB, please help us to type the questions in the group chat. The 8560G-PHWZ. This P means what? I also send the questions in the.
I see one friend asked one question. The question is, what kind of needle gauge JK-8558G available? The question is, what kind of needle gauge JK-8558G available? About the needle gauge, who knows this answer? And now I tell the right answer. We have 4 needle gauge. 4 needle gauge is optional. One is 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, and 3/60. Totally 4 needle gauge is optional. Thank you for all your questions. If you have the question, please write down.
And I also see another one question in the group chat is the maximum needle gauge of our chain stitch machines. I say maybe the type is wrong. You want to see that the maximum needle gauge, right? The needle gauge maximum is 3/8. 3/8 needle gauge is the maximum for the chain stitch. Now we have. Thank you. And I see my question of the model 8560G-PHWZ. What's the meaning of the P? Already, one friend, that means Riyadh from Jack Bangladesh Limited, already gave us the answer. This is the trigonal. Trigonal. This P means trigonal, right? This is a trigonal 3-needle machine. Thank you. Thank you for your answer. And if you reply our questions or propose any questions, we will also record and give you 1 point. After all the live show finished, we will calculate the points for you, and the whose point is the best. We will also give the big surprise, like some gift preparing for those whose points is better or best. Okay, so any questions you can propose, that you can type in the group chat. And our live show will finish within 2 minutes. So please hurry up if any other questions. If no have, then live show will finish very soon today.
Okay, everyone, our live show will finish right now. And today, if you all the friends give us 666, our live show will finish right now. And also our video also will show in our Facebook account. Our Facebook is Jack Sewing Machine. You can also to check the Facebook to watch our video and live show again.
Please type 666. What's the mean in China is just a good, very good. Okay, just type 666 and our live show is going to be finished.
Thank you all Jack families.
Thank you for your support. Today's live show finished, and
tomorrow we will have another live show. It's our big pattern machine.
Yes. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Thank you.